Right. So
You don't have black wire.
there should be there was a wire there on where the tools are there
This
on the left.
one.
Yeah, there.
Let's just strip it.
Yeah, there's other wire as well. But I mean, yeah, rather.
That's
And
the
then,
right colors where it is.
I'm sure there was another wire. Maybe it's on the.
Wasn't it this?
Ugh.
I'll use this one. I'll just strip
Yeah.
it quickly.
So new boiler stop. Just check for leaks. Nope, no leaks. So interconnected. I don't know who interconnects two valves and doesn't have individual stopcocks. That's a bit annoying. And then yeah, new element thermostat. You can hear it's running. Is Mikhail still there? Is he still there? Apparently not. Well, we can do this. You do that and stop the water.